The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is salsify, spelled S-A-L-S-I-F-Y, salsify.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, this parsnip-shaped salsify can reach up to 12 inches in length and 2.5 inches in diameter. It's a root vegetable that's also known as oyster plant because its taste resembles a delicately flavored oyster. The most common found salsify has a white fleshed root with grayish skin, though there are varieties with a pale golden skin as well as ones with black skin. Though salsify is more popular in Europe than it is in the United States, it can be found in the U.S. from June through February, usually in Spanish, Italian, and Greek markets. Salsify is generally eaten plain as a vegetable or used in savory pies and soups. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job! If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.